Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a critical, comprehensive evaluation of Animaker, the cloud-based video engine that has built a massive footprint in the digital space by attempting to bridge the massive gap between traditional frame-by-frame 2D animation and modern automated artificial intelligence generation. If you're an educator, content creator, or marketing professional who needs to deploy high-retention cartoon explainers, product walkthroughs, or training assets without spending weeks mastering complex timeline node environments inside Adobe After Effects, Animaker positions itself as the ultimate point-and-click drag-and-drop alternative. The absolute centerpiece of the entire Animaker value proposition is its deeply structured character builder and action framework, which lets you construct highly tailored 2D avatars with massive control over physical features, wardrobe choices, and precise emotional expressions. Once your character is placed inside a pre-built vector scene, animating complex physical behaviors is completely simplified through utilities like Smart Move and Action Plus, allowing you to trace complex motion paths with a few mouse clicks, while their auto lip sync engine perfectly coordinates your avatar's mouth movements to match uploaded speech files. Furthermore, their modern updates introduce extensive AI script-to-video generation features, an automated whiteboard doodle generator, and data-driven infographic templates that help you instantly transform dry statistics into highly dynamic stories, alongside a sprawling ecosystem of over 100 million stock assets. However, running an aggressive production pipeline inside this browser-based suite exposes some highly frustrating technological friction points and structural restrictions that you must fully prepare for before committing your money. While the interface initially appears light and approachable for single-scene construction, the core web system frequently suffers from noticeable rendering lag, viewport freezes, and audio synchronization drifts during real-time preview playback whenever you attempt to assemble long-form multi-scene scripts. The pricing model also introduces a steep progression curve, as their highly restrictive free tier limits exports to a short duration, slaps a heavy commercial watermark on the corner of your media, and gates your downloads to standard definition 720p, which renders it entirely useless for modern corporate branding. Upgrading to their basic or starter tiers unlock clean lines, but keep major power utilities heavily restricted, forcing professional power users into the expensive Pro or Enterprise plans just to access essential 4K resolution exporting workflows and real-time team collaboration dashboards. Ultimately, Animaker remains an incredibly functional, time-saving canvas for designing structured, character-driven narrative clips and educational assets from thin air. But creators chasing photorealistic cinematic video generation will find the distinctly cartoonish styling and browser performance boundaries a bit too restrictive for high-end studio outputs. Subscribe the channel for more videos.